How to reactivate AOL Mail account. Let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded AOL Mail app in your device. If not, you can launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app AOL Mail and install it. After completion of its download process, you can launch this app. Now at the top left corner, you will find this icon. Click on it. Now click on this option of Sign In. Click on Continue. You are able to reactivate your AOL Mail account only if you are in the waiting period. If you have completed the waiting period for the deletion of your account, you cannot reactivate your account. You can check that by typing your username, email or mobile number over here. Then type in Next. Now you will be receiving verification code in your email address, so go ahead and check your email address. Type in the code over here. After you type in, click on Next. If you are able to log in, that means you haven't completed the waiting period. So this way you can easily reactivate your AOL Mail account. If you can't log in, that means you have completed the waiting period and your account has been permanently deleted. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily reactivate AOL Mail account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.